sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, we welcome you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So let's embark this beautiful day with a guest note.
For the players of Tamil Nadu. We have shown this in the physical aspect as far as the club is concerned with regards to transfer revenues of players from the state who have gone on to play into the Indian Super Leagues and also into other clubs. We have also ensured that we do good transfer also abroad outside India with foreign players. Now we are trying to see how we can digitally get into this platform and see what best we can do. We are glad to partner with Belfix for creating a state-of-art blockchain-based sports platform, Bell Sports for creating NFTs and STOs. We did have multiple discussions about the platform and we are confident that Belfix could create this platform not just for football and in India but for all sports and including the global market. We have some USPs as compared to the prevailing platforms in the market and the same would be disclosed when we complete our MVP and test the same. We are also awaiting GOI's blockchain policy so that we apply for necessary licenses if required and adhering to the law of the land. Thank you once again.
Our press friends and everyone present here. It's an immense pleasure representing KPI Info Solutions. KPI Info Solutions is a startup from KPI Mills Limited, the founders of KPI Mills Limited, with an aim to play a lead role in niche technology by involving us not just to create products but solutions, which is actually missing in the market currently. And our vision to become a significant technology service partner, empowering businesses with remarkable end-to-end digital transformation solutions. We are delighted to partner with Belfix in developing blockchain projects, especially in sports industry, which has numerous opportunities for new solutions, and we intend to be an integral technology compere in future for Belfix. We are also discussing on how to partner with other products of Belfix in the field of education, employment, and healthcare. From our early round of discussions, we are astounded by Belfix BT's concept lineup in blockchain technology, and we are confident to structure and construct them fittingly for them. And thank you each and every one of you for being here with us today, and maybe soon we will start to see the product developed and launched in the market. Thank you.
For Belfix group of companies. Sorry, because I had a severe cough last week once I landed in India, so now I'm perfectly okay. So quite happy to be part of this occasion. Before I move on to what NFT and what crypto is, I'll give a little bit of a class to all of you guys. Maybe many might be familiar, many might not be familiar, so it's good that I gave a brief about what this is all about. To start with, we started off in 2015. Both India, Singapore, Malaysia, we started our technology firm. I started my journey with blockchain and crypto in 2013. You all might be familiar with Bitcoin as of now. I bought my first Bitcoin and it was $27. At this point in time, it's $50,000. So when I bought the crypto, so I was sold for this particular technology, and I completely dedicated both my career and also the company to develop the technology and to develop applications on this particular platform because the potential is massive. The next generation and the generation next to that one is going to dwell and live on this particular technology. So blockchain, IoT and AI put together is going to shape money. You are already seeing the kind of changes that is happening. So that's what is going to shape the future ahead. So initially we started with the digital assets. So since the regulatory regime was much more accessible for us on the Far East markets. We started from there and then we moved on to the Asian market. So in India, we run both the technology division and also the crypto exchange division since 2015. As of now, we operate in 8 different countries. We are one among the few companies who understand both the token economics very well. When I say token economics, I'm talking about cryptocurrency and also the technology behind that one. So we have our own blockchain, which is called Beldium blockchain. It's a patented blockchain over which we develop all the solutions. 2020, we became the first company in India to issue the COVID certificate on the blockchain. We have partnered with more than 12 different universities across the globe for issuing graduation certificates on the blockchain. So you are all familiar with what cryptocurrency is doing in the market, but very few might be knowing that the potential of the blockchain on the real world domain space is massive in nature. In many places, only the concept is going on, but we are far, far ahead of concept. We work on supply chain industries wherein which the drugs are being distributed, tracked, and identified and authenticated. Especially in African region, a lot of death happens because of the counterfeit drug distribution. So we take care of that also over there. From the education sector also, the entire student life cycle, we work on the blockchain. The moment when a student comes to the college or the school, right from the time when his identity is being issued, till the time when the graduation certificate is issued, the entire life cycle can be recorded on the blockchain. So it's not only that when he goes to a company or a future university, it's not only about the credential that what he carries, he could carry his entire life cycle of his university that what he did. So these are some of the processes that what we do. So I'll move on to the NFT. 4 years before, this particular name itself was not there. There was the exchange, there was the cryptocurrencies, then we moved on to decentralized exchanges, then the art started selling in the market. You must be astounded to hear the numbers that are being traded in the NFT market. The most valuable NFT that is sold last year is close to around $96 million. I'm talking about just a digital painting. The top 10 NFTs that are sold in the market ranges anywhere between. So one NBA club, they have raised close to around $500 million only by selling digital collectibles, which includes the souvenirs, the players, images, photos,